Hello, welcome to another Drones Deep video. Today I am going to be looking for some of the autumn coloured trees around the Kent countryside. I've come out to Bridge, which is just outside Canterbury. I'm hoping to get some really nice colours alongside the A2 dual carriageway. I won't be flying over the road, but there's plenty of those nice green, browns, yellows and dark reds at places, so I'm hoping to be able to take off on a public footpath and see what I can see from the air. So as you can see, I'm on a footbridge that goes over the A2, and you might be able to see some of those nice coloured trees. So you got the A2 to Canterbury and the A2 to Dover. And this is going to be as far as we can go because there's a big private sign there, so I won't go any further. To be honest, I was hoping for a little bit more room to take the drone off and land from. Okay. It's a bit tight, there's plenty of sky to see, but I would rather have been out in the open a little bit more. So to be honest, I can take off from here and then probably just stand on the bridge I just at. I might go back towards the road. What I think I'm going to do is take off from the road here, go up through the trees, and then place myself on the bridge where I can see a lot more of where the drone is. That'd be fine. I've had to cut that little flight short because one of the big problems of flying over dense woodland is that it's full of birds, and as I was flying around, the drone actually got attacked by buzzards. It's probably the first, well, I wouldn't say it's the first time it's been attacked, but it's the first time I've actually seen a bird actually fly towards the drone. So I took some evasive action and managed to just get a fair bit of distance between me and the big birds. So I've landed and now just moving to a different location. It was a little bit more open and not too close to the road. The last thing I wanted was a bird strike, and the drone ended up on the middle of the road. So I'm really hoping some of that bird action got caught on camera, because I was hitting away at the record button and hoping that some of the bird action ended up on camera. Okay, so I've changed location and I'm in more of a open area now, so less trees. I think I should be able to get some footage of some of the should be able to get some footage of some nice colourful trees in the area. There's a couple of trees there behind me, that should be good. Still plenty of wildlife here. I'm sure they won't mind the drone too much. They're probably more worried about my genuine Ray-Bans that cost me £10 from a market in Turkey. that's enough from me for this video. I think I've got enough footage of some autumn colours from the trees. This footage will be used to be sold on the stock video selling sites, so you never know, I might make $10, $15, $20 out of this little trip. You never know. That's the beauty of selling stock footage. You never really know what's going to sell, but so many clips sold over the past 3 or 4 years, and it's always really random video clips. Never know what's going to sell really. But this time of year, hopefully people are looking for autumn coloured trees, and especially autumn coloured trees filmed by drone. Right, that should do. Obviously follow me on all the usual social platforms, instagram.com/dronesdeep, and my Facebook page is facebook.com/dronesdeep. Alright, that's enough from me. So here are the photographs that I took with the DJI Mini 3. The first one is usually just a photograph that I've taken when the drone is waiting to take off. So there you go, a little autumn leaf on the side of the road. There we go, there's the A2, and to be honest, this is probably one of the better photographs that I was able to take. So it may be that I use a landscape orientated photograph rather than a portrait photograph. Just going through them. There's another one. That's not too bad, but I'm not happy with some of the transport in the way. There's a village of bridge on the left hand side of that photograph there, but again there's some lorries that if they weren't there that would be perfect, to be honest. That's not bad. I might have to crop out the lorry at the bottom here. This is the bridge that I was hoping to try and get dead centre of the photograph, but as you can see, there's me standing on the bridge right in the frame. So I can't really use this type of photograph unless I clone out myself and my very long shadow. These are the photographs where I got chased around by the birds. I think this one here is definitely the buzzard. These ones, and I think there was 2 buzzards. No, there was definitely 3 buzzards, and then some crows or ravens or wherever they are. So here we come to the top-down photographs that I took over the little country road. Not a lot of cars really use this bit of road, so I was more than happy to fly straight over the top of it, just to get the colour of these trees with the road in the background as well. I'm quite tempted to use one of these actually, if there's anything that really stands out. Not really, to be honest. Maybe that one there, but I'm just looking for something that really hits me, and none of these are really grabbing my attention really. And there's me at the end. I always take a couple of selfies at the end just to stick on my social media. Right, I think after all that I'm going to go back to more or less the first photograph, or one of the first photographs, not these ones. Okay, this one, I think this is the one I'm going to use just to showcase some of the autumn colours in these trees here and here. Should be quite easy to bring out the colours. I'll probably get rid of that white van and leave the other cars in the frame. Right, so let's put that straight into Photoshop and see what we can do with it. Right, okay, let's see what we can do. That will do. So it just leaves me to add my own watermark onto the image. Okay, there's my finished photograph from a little trip out down the A2, just to try and capture some of the autumn coloured trees. But like I've said a few times now, I'm not totally happy with it. Maybe I will be able to grab some more on another trip out very soon. Right, that's it from me. Obviously you can catch me on my social media platforms, instagram.com/dronesdeep and on Facebook/dronesdeep. That's it from me. Cheers and cheerio.